Vice President Sara Duterte says that a country's leader should resign if he cannot show to the people that he can lead and think clearly. Supporters of former President Rodrigo Duterte gathered in The Hague, Netherlands on Sunday, March 23, chanting, "Marcos resign." Responding to them, the Vice President said it was the crowd that made the call for resignation of President Bongbong Marcos and not her. The Vice President then said that leadership relates to transparency and accountability. Furthermore, the Vice President also said that a country's leader should resign if he does not show to the people that he can lead and think clearly. In response, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro questions Vice President Duterte's statements, saying the government only follows the law.
Kung pinag-resign po nila ang Pangulo, sino po ba ang makikinabang? Kahit sabihin po ni VP Sara o kayo nagsabi niyan, siya pa rin po ang makikinabang. Sasabihin po ba na walang kakayanan mamuno? Paano po natin masasabi ito? Kung ang pinapailal po natin ay ang batas.
Castro points out a person cannot lead if he or she is not transparent to the people.
At very transparent po tayo sa anumang mga transaksyon. Hindi po mas kakayanin ng isang tao na mamuno na maraming inililihim, maraming itinatago at hindi nagpapakita ng anumang dokumento, more particularly about the funds.